Introducing Beautyistic. Today, we're diving into the Cowboy Magic Detangler Shine, a product known for its incredible performance in hair care. This deep conditioner penetrates the hair shaft to restore moisture and strengthen hair, delivering a soft texture and natural shine. Unlike many conditioners, this formula is concentrated, containing no water or alcohol, ensuring that it won't dry your hair out. Setting up and using this product is straightforward. Just apply a small amount to wet or dry hair, and you'll see the magic unfold. My experience with Cowboy Magic was overwhelmingly positive. It effortlessly detangled my hair without any greasy residue, allowing for easy brushing and styling. When it comes to performance, this product truly shines. I tested it on various hair types, from thick, coarse strands to finer textures, and the results were consistently impressive. The silk protein in the formulation provides a high-reflecting shine that lasts, repelling dirt and dust effectively. Let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, Cowboy Magic Detangler Shine is extremely effective at detangling, leaves hair soft, shiny, and is long-lasting. However, a potential downside is that it can create product buildup if used excessively, as it contains dimethicone, which some users have found heavy over time. Comparatively, there are alternatives on the market, but Cowboy Magic stands out for its concentrated formula and effectiveness. While products like eQuest Super Detangler are also good, they may not provide the same level of shine or long-lasting effects. In terms of value for money, this product is priced reasonably, considering its quality and durability. A little goes a long way, making it a cost-effective choice for maintaining healthy hair. The build quality is impressive. The ingredients are carefully selected to enhance your hair without compromising on safety or effectiveness. User-friendliness is another strong point. The simple application process and intuitive formula make it accessible for anyone, regardless of their hair care expertise. I did not have any direct interactions with customer support, but the product comes highly rated across various platforms, suggesting a reliable brand reputation. Real-world testing demonstrated that it effectively kept hair tangle-free for several days, making it ideal for busy lifestyles. There are no known firmware or software updates affecting this product, ensuring that you can consistently expect the same quality. In conclusion, I would highly recommend Cowboy Magic Detangler Shine to anyone looking for a reliable, effective hair product. It's particularly suited for those with medium to thick hair that tends to tangle easily. If you're a beginner or even a seasoned user, this product will serve you well over time. If you're enjoying this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon to stay updated on more beauty insights. Thank you for watching. You can find the link to purchase Cowboy Magic Detangler Shine in the description below. Feel free to ask any questions in the comments, and let us know your thoughts if you've tried this product already.